Hey everyone! Today, we're diving deep into a topic that touches all of our lives: breaking bad habits. What are they? Why do we develop them? And how can we kick them to the curb using science-backed strategies? Let's get started. First off, what exactly are bad habits? They're essentially patterns of behavior that are detrimental to our physical or mental health. Things like smoking, procrastinating, or spending too much time on social media. But why do we develop them? Well, often it's because they provide an immediate reward, a quick hit of dopamine in our brains, even though they might harm us in the long run. Now let's talk psychology. The brain loves efficiency. It turns frequent behaviors into habits so we can do them without much thought. This is super handy for good habits, but problematic for the bad ones. To break a bad habit, we need to hack our brain's reward system, replacing the unhealthy behavior with a healthier one that also makes us feel good. Creating a daily routine is pivotal here. Structured routines can reduce the decision fatigue that often leads us back to our bad habits. By planning your day and sticking to a schedule, you're less likely to fall into old patterns. And what about the impact of bad habits on our health? Well, beyond the obvious physical effects like the risks of smoking or an unhealthy diet, bad habits can also take a toll on our mental health, leading to increased stress, anxiety, and even depression. Breaking these habits isn't just good for your body, it's crucial for your mental well-being too. Maintaining long-term success in habit change is all about consistency and reinforcement. Celebrate your small victories. These positive emotions can reinforce your new, healthier habits. And remember, occasional slip-ups are part of the journey, not reasons to give up. Finally, let's touch on the latest research. Studies show that self-awareness is key. Being mindful of your triggers and the situations in which you're likely to engage in a bad habit can help you avoid them. Also, there's fascinating research on the role of stress and sleep. Both hugely influence our ability to maintain good habits. Managing stress and getting enough sleep can significantly bolster your efforts to change. In conclusion, breaking bad habits is about understanding the psychological roots, structuring your day to avoid triggers, and replacing bad behaviors with positive ones. Stay consistent, be patient with yourself, and let science guide your path to a healthier lifestyle. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on improving your daily life. Stay strong and see you in the next video.